Welcome to Brewstar Reviews. Dive into the world of Amazon products with us as we provide honest, in-depth reviews to help you make informed purchasing decisions. The 16-inch laptop market has seen a significant shift recently as users look for a middle ground between the portability of smaller machines and the expansive screen real estate of larger workstations. This particular model enters that space with a focus on providing a large display paired with an 8-core processor from the AMD Ryzen 7 family. At its core, the machine is built around the balance of a high-resolution 16-inch panel and a thin profile that aims to serve both productivity and entertainment needs. The inclusion of an 8-core and 16-thread processor suggests a focus on multi-threaded performance, which is a key factor for those who find themselves juggling many applications simultaneously. When examining the build and design of this 16-inch laptop, the first thing to note is the physical footprint. A 16-inch screen often allows for a more ergonomic experience compared to 13 or 14-inch alternatives because it provides enough width for a full-sized keyboard layout. In this instance, the inclusion of a backlit keyboard is a practical addition for those who work in varying lighting conditions, providing a clear view of the keys without being overly distracting. The chassis design follows modern trends with slim bezels around the display, which helps keep the overall dimensions of the laptop closer to what one might expect from a traditional 15-inch device. This design choice is intended to maximize the viewing area while maintaining a level of portability that allows the computer to fit into most standard backpacks. The build materials typically aim for a professional look, avoiding the aggressive styling often associated with high-end gaming rigs in favor of a more neutral and editorial aesthetic. This makes it suitable for a variety of environments, from a university library to a professional office setting. Performance is where the technical specifications of this machine become particularly relevant. The heart of the system is the AMD Ryzen 7 processor, which features 8 physical cores and 16 logical threads. In the context of modern computing, having 8 cores is a significant advantage for tasks that can be distributed across multiple processing units. This includes things like video encoding, complex data analysis, or running virtual machines. With a boost clock reaching up to 4.5 or 4.75 GHz depending on the specific configuration, the processor is designed to handle bursts of heavy activity with responsiveness. Supporting this processor is 16 GB of memory. This amount of RAM is widely considered the modern standard for a smooth experience in Windows 11, as it provides enough overhead to keep dozens of browser tabs open while running background applications like communication tools and security software. The storage solution is a 512GB NVMe solid-state drive. The move to NVMe technology is a critical performance factor because it offers significantly higher read and write speeds compared to older SATA-based drives or traditional hard disks. This translates to faster boot times for the operating system and near instantaneous loading for most productivity applications. While 512 GB provides a fair amount of space for documents and essential software, users with large media libraries might find themselves utilizing cloud storage or external drives over time. One of the more nuanced aspects of this laptop is its graphical capability. It utilizes the Radeon RX Vega 8 integrated graphics. It is important to distinguish this from a dedicated graphics card. Integrated graphics share the system memory and are built directly into the processor. While the Vega 8 is a capable integrated solution that can handle high-definition video playback and basic photo editing, its designation as a gaming laptop should be viewed through the lens of casual or entry-level gaming. It is well suited for popular titles that are less demanding on hardware, such as esports games or older classics, but it may struggle with the latest AAA titles at high settings. For the user, this means the laptop functions more as a powerful all-rounder rather than a specialized machine for high-end graphical rendering. The inclusion of Wi-Fi 6 is a notable feature for connectivity. As wireless networks become more crowded, Wi-Fi 6 provides better efficiency and stability, especially when connected to a compatible router. This is particularly beneficial for those who rely on video conferencing or large file transfers over a wireless connection. The presence of Windows 11 as the pre-installed operating system ensures that the hardware is running on a platform designed to take advantage of modern security features and window management tools that make use of the larger 16-inch screen. Determining who this laptop is best suited for requires looking at the intersection of its screen size and its processing power. It is a strong candidate for students who need a large enough screen to have a textbook open on one side and a word processor on the other without feeling cramped. The 8-core processor makes it a viable tool for computer science students or those in fields requiring significant computational power. Similarly, remote workers who do not have a dedicated external monitor will appreciate the extra vertical and horizontal space provided by the 16-inch panel. It also appeals to general home users who want a snappy, responsive machine for web browsing, streaming, and light creative work. While it carries the gaming label, it is perhaps most accurately described as a high-performance productivity laptop that can handle light gaming on the side. At a price point of around $1,400 at the time of writing, this machine positions itself in a competitive segment of the market. Prospective users are essentially paying for the combination of a large, high-quality display and a very capable multi-core processor in a relatively portable form factor. The balance here is between raw processing speed and integrated graphical performance. For someone who prioritizes a fast user interface and the ability to run many apps at once, the 16 GB of RAM and the Ryzen 7 chip provide a reliable foundation. However, those specifically looking for a machine to play the most demanding modern games might find the integrated graphics to be a limiting factor. In closing, this 16-inch laptop represents a modern approach to the everyday computer, prioritizing screen real estate and multi-core efficiency. It offers a clean design and a robust set of internal components that should remain relevant for several years of standard use. The strengths of the machine lie in its ability to handle demanding office tasks, academic research, and general media consumption with ease. While the graphical capabilities are more modest than what might be found in a dedicated gaming station, the overall package is a well-rounded option for those who value a large display and a fast, responsive operating system. It serves as a reminder that for many users, the most important features are a comfortable keyboard, a clear and spacious screen, and a processor that doesn't slow down during a busy workday. It is a balanced tool that addresses the needs of a wide demographic, provided they understand the distinction between integrated and dedicated graphics performance. As with any technology purchase, the value is found in how well the specifications align with the daily habits of the user, and for those who need a dependable, large-screen workhorse, this configuration offers a compelling set of features for the investment. The integration of modern standards like Wi-Fi 6 and NVMe storage further ensures that the user experience remains consistent with current technological expectations, making it a stable choice for someone looking to upgrade from an older, slower system. By focusing on these core pillars of performance and usability, the laptop carves out a clear place for itself in the current market landscape. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest product insights. Have a product you want us to review? Drop a like and subscribe, and comment below. Until next time, happy shopping.